the Christmas kitten. It was the day of the Christmas, and it was very cold. A little black kitten was hungry and lonely. Meow, he said. Meow. What a sweet little kitten, said the small girl. I do want a kitten. One day came home dead. Meow. And Charles was learning to him, Sophie, said her dad. Our Beck is going home for dinner just like us. Meow, said the kitten, meow. No, I'm not. Please take me home with you. But Sophie and her dad understand and hurried away. Some children were playing in the yard. Meow, said the kitten, and running up to them. Meow. Cat, said the little girl, picking him up. Put him down, Rosie, said the big boy. You're not allowed to pick up stray cat, not even at Christmas. Rosie put the kitten down. Bye, nice cat, she said. Esther had shiny colorful Santa has Christmas cakes and ice buns and sugar cookies piled up by. The handy little pig started in the doorway. Meow, he said sadly. Meow. Now cats hear the man, not even a little one. He shooed the kitten away. The little black kitten jumped under the sill, and it looked so warm and cozy inside. Meow, he said softly. Meow. A little low couldn't see him. What a pity I have a birdcage head. Has such a pretty breeze, and he drew the curtains. It was beginning to get dark. The little black kitten shivered. The wind was harder, and more people hurrying home, carrying bags of Christmas presents. Meow, said the kitten, meow. But nobody heard him. He ran in and out, this way and that, to avoid hurrying. Meow. The kitten crawled along the snowy picnic like a little black shadow. Meow, he said in the tiny, tired voice. Meow. He looked at the birds of the cake for a place to sleep. Woof, woof. A dog jumped out. A little kitten turned and flapped as fast as he could. The little black kitten was running so fast that it didn't see anything and went on the road. He was right on the pail of one dry side. Its sides crawled out and went to sleep. The kitten wanted to stop. Someone was talking in a cheerful, early voice. Whatever shall I do? I need just to roll my presents. There's nothing but the blank sacks. A kitten raised up the look. Meow, he said. Meow. What have we here, said the glass? This is the very thing. The kitten ducked time. His sleigh flew up, up, up in the air, and soon landed. Santa Claus sucked up the kitten and sat down the chimney and tucked him under a small stocking hung up the end of the small bed. Merry Christmas, Sophie, said the Santa Claus and dashed away. The kitten wriggled out the stocking and fell into the room. Sophie opened her eyes. What's that? She said. Meow, said the kitten. Meow. Oh, said Sophie. Oh, and she picked up the kitten and tagged him. It's my little black kitten. It really is. Oh, little black kitten, you stay with me forever and ever. Meow, said the kitten. Meow. And he and Sophie grew up together to wait for Christmas morning.